Part 1, Asking about time. Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
That is good to hear. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
What time is it now?
It is 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Yes, it is 9 o'clock now.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am not busy.
What are you doing at 9 o'clock?
I am drinking coffee.
You are drinking coffee?
Yes, I am drinking coffee at 9 o'clock.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is very nice.
Do you usually drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I usually drink coffee in the morning.
What time do you usually drink coffee?
I usually drink coffee at 9 o'clock.
Every day?
Yes, almost every day.
I see.
What about you?
I drink tea in the morning.
What time do you drink tea?
I drink tea at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
Yes, at 8 o'clock in the morning. So now it is 9 o'clock.
Yes, now it is 9 o'clock.
And you are drinking coffee.
That is right.
Time is important.
Yes, time is very important.
Part 2, Talking about work and class time. Do you work today?
Yes, I work today.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock?
Yes, I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yes, at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
So you work from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
Yes, I work from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
Do you have a break at work?
Yes, I have a break.
What time is your break?
My break is at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
Yes, 12 o'clock.
How long is your break?
My break is 1 hour.
What do you do during your break?
I eat lunch and rest.
That sounds good.
Yes, it is good.
Do you go to class after work?
Yes, I go to class after work.
What time does your class start?
My class starts at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock in the evening?
Yes, 7 o'clock in the evening.
What time does the class end?
The class ends at 8 o'clock.
So the class is 1 hour.
Yes, the class is 1 hour.
Is the class every day?
No, the class is not every day.
What days do you have class?
I have class on Monday and Wednesday.
I understand.
The class helps me learn English.
That is great.
Yes, learning English is important.
Part 3, Talking about appointments and meetings. Do you have any appointments today?
Yes, I have one appointment today.
What time is your appointment?
My appointment is at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yes, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Where is the appointment?
It is at the office.
Is it a meeting?
Yes, it is a meeting.
Who is the meeting with?
The meeting is with my manager.
How long is the meeting?
The meeting is 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes.
Do you need to prepare for the meeting?
Yes, I need to prepare.
What do you need to do?
I need to read some documents.
When will you prepare?
I will prepare at 1:30.
1:30 is before 2 o'clock.
Yes, I want to be ready early.
That is a good idea.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
Are you meeting anyone else today?
Yes, I have another meeting.
What time is the next meeting?
The next meeting is at 4 o'clock.
Is it also at the office?
No, it is online.
What time do you need to join the meeting?
I need to join at 4 o'clock.
Do you join from home?
Yes, I join from home.
How long is this meeting?
This meeting is 1 hour.
So it ends at 5 o'clock.
Yes, it ends at 5 o'clock.
You have a busy schedule today.
Yes, but I can manage my time.
That is important.
Yes, good time management helps a lot.
Part 4. Talking about being early, late, and on time. Do you usually arrive on time?
Yes, I usually arrive on time.
Why do you arrive on time?
I think being on time is important.
I agree.
It shows respect for other people.
Are you early today?
Yes, I am early today.
How early are you?
I am 10 minutes early.
10 minutes early is good.
Yes, it gives me time to relax.
What do you do when you arrive early?
I sit down and check my schedule.
That sounds useful.
Yes, it helps me feel ready.
Are you ever late?
Sometimes, I am late.
Why are you late sometimes?
Sometimes there is traffic.
Traffic can be a problem.
Yes, it can make people late.
What do you do when you are late?
I send a message and say sorry.
That is polite.
Yes, it is important to communicate.
How late are you usually?
Usually, I am 5 minutes late.
5 minutes is not too bad.
Yes, but I try not to be late.
What helps you be on time?
I leave home early.
How much earlier do you leave?
I leave 15 minutes earlier.
That is a good plan.
Yes, it works well for me.
So being early is better than being late.
Yes, being early is better.
Being on time feels good.
Yes, it makes the day easier.
Part 5. Reviewing your daily schedule. Let us review the day.
Yes, let us review the schedule.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, 7 o'clock in the morning.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and get dressed.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
Yes, 8 o'clock.
What do you do after breakfast?
I leave home and go to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
You work in the morning.
Yes, I work in the morning.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a break at 12 o'clock.
What do you do during the break?
I eat lunch and rest.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you have any classes or meetings?
Yes, I have a class at 7 o'clock.
How long is the class?
The class is 1 hour.
So it ends at 8 o'clock.
Yes, it ends at 8 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner and talk with my family.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock is a good time.
Yes, it helps me rest well.
Your schedule is clear.
Yes, a clear schedule helps me manage my time.
Time is important.
Yes, time helps us plan our day.
Thank you for sharing your schedule.
Thank you for listening.
That is the end of our conversation.
Yes, thank you for practicing English with us.